Any mention?
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 12 of the main list, Lordship. This is a legal aid matter. Mrs. Ardata is appearing, Lordship. She is indisposed, Lordship. I'm praying if this matter can be taken up after
We
2
have no
weeks.
objection, Your Lordship.
Chandu, Honored Counsel, appearing on behalf of Sardatta, legal aid counsel for the petitioner. Is this matter after? When?
Lordship, after 2 weeks, Lordship.
After 2 weeks.
Lordship, similar prayer for item number 13, Lordship.
Yes.
Okay.
Obliged, Lordship.
Same order.
My Lordship, I beg to mention hearing number 7, my lord. My lord, we were informed that the petitioner, single petitioner is here. He passed away. However, my lord, there are 15 complainants before the district council, and they are challenging the decision taken by the district council. So, Lordship, give me 2 weeks' time, let me take instruction, my lord, whether there is scope for implementation of the remaining complainants or not. Otherwise, no scope. Matter can be closed.
There is a single writ petition.
A single petition. In fact, 15 of them filed a complaint before the district council. On the basis of their complaint, district council will take a decision. Impugned order. And against the impugned order, 2 of them has filed the representative petition. And 1 withdrawn subsequently, and the last one passed away. And therefore, we just want to take instruction
So it
whether
means now, right now, there is no petitioner left.
no petition left. Therefore, only regard to limited scope, whether the remaining complainant has a right to pursue or not. Only that aspect.
Remaining complainant, are the petitioners here?
They are not the petitioners here. Only a week's time, I'll take instruction.
Substitution.
You take
Substitute, whether
instruction, no
scope
problem.
for substitution or not.
Take instruction, there is no problem.
Yes.
I don't think there will be any problem.
No,
Yes.
But then, so far as if say supposing others are not the petitioners, joiners not petitioner, what is the question of them continuing here?
Manuel Kalisi, we will say. Not Kalisi.
Anyway, yes, it is submitted by London Senior Counsel, appearing as a petitioner, that the writ petition has passed away.
Yes.
Recently. Stop, he submits that.
But one of the complainant informed, not that this is family, so we want to ascertain.
Just say it is submitted by London Counsel, Senior Counsel, that he has been informed that the writ petitioner has passed away. Stop. However, he submits that there is no definite information received from the family of the writ petitioner. Stop. He therefore prays that the matter may be adjourned
Yes.
to enable him to have correct information
Yes.
with regard to the demise of the
That's
petitioner.
yes.
Prayer allowed. List after
2 weeks, but
2 weeks.
obliged. My lord.
May it please, my lordship, I beg to mention item number 15, my lordship.
Yes.
My lordship, item number 15 is a legal aid matter. Unfortunately, the legal aid counsel has to travel.
Legal aid counsel is
Priya
appearing
Agarwal.
for the respondent.
Yes, my lordship. So there was some unavoidable circumstance, my lordship. If my lordship may be gracious enough to fix the matter on another date.
When do you want it?
After 2 weeks, my lordship.
Just give your name, please, on prayer made by Ms. So-and-so, London Counsel, appearing for. You're appearing for Ms. P. Agarwal. So, appearing on behalf of Ms. P. Agarwal, LSC, appearing for the respondent. There is only one respondent.
Yes, my lordship.
This is matter after 2 weeks.
Highly obliged, my lordship.
Actually, I would beg to mention item number 6. Lordship will require some time for this matter for obtaining instructions. Lordship will give us some time.
This is again pending for quite a long time.
Yes, Lordship.
More than a year, Your Lordship, just for instructions.
You are also equally to be blamed,
Yeah,
madam,
Lordship.
if you see the order sheet. Just
Lordship, on the next date, let the matter be heard on merits.
Yes, Lordship will try.
we want to hear it even today also. Why next?
Lordship, since
Yeah,
he's
just-
asking for time.
Yes, Lordship.
When do you want it?
2 weeks, Lordship.
Prayer made by Mr. Thabal Anandji appearing for the state respondents, not objected to by the land council, appearing for the petitioner. List after 2 weeks. This-
Obliged.
Obliged to.
Please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 16, 16 and 17. I'm praying on behalf of Mr. T. L. Jabwa, my
Item
lord.
16.
Yes, my lord. He's not keeping well, my lord.
This matter was extensively heard on the last occasion, Lordship, regarding quashing of that land transaction related case. On the last occasion, the government council prayed for time. My difficulty is, Lordship, that the trial is progressing. There's
What is the stage of the trial?
evidence, Lordship, almost in the fag end of evidence.
Let us see if the proceeding is quashed, then everything will go if you will try.
Next week, if I may pray, next week.
1 week, Lordship. Just seeking for
You are
1 week.
appearing for?
At T. L.
Respondent
Jabwa,
two.
respondent number 2.
In both the matters.
That is the case where the land was sold.
Lordship,
And
is that
subsequently
some third
purchaser
party
came
they-
said that the area is less.
No, Lordship. This was the case where after about 6 months of by having the sale deed, the complainant said that this land actually belongs to someone else and I want his money back. And there's a suit also pending.
On prayer meeting. On behalf of the respondent number. This is matter after 1 week.
Lordship, 16, 17.
16, 17.
Okay, 16, 17.
Obliged.
Wait, please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to make a mention of item number 10, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, senior counsel on this matter is not available today, Your Lordship. I'm praying if this matter may be listed after a week.
Yes, sir.
No objection.
Any interim order here?
There's no interim order.
On prayer meet on behalf of Mr. K. Paul Leonard, senior counsel appearing for the petitioner. This is matter after 2 weeks. Yes.
Right, Lordship.
Supplementary cause list, item number 1.
Yes.
May it please your lordship. Your lordship, this is a matter wherein the petitioner had taken a loan from the bank in 2014 to run a shop. Thereafter, in 2014, it was declared as an NPA and the bank proceeded under the SARFACI Act for recovery proceedings. Thereafter, your lordship, in
Loan was
2020,
obtained in the year? Which year loan was obtained?
it was declared an NPA in 2014.
Which year loan was obtained?
2014, your lordship.
2014. And it was supposed to be repaid within
Your lordship, it was a cash credit
cash
format
credit
of loan.
facility.
Yes, your lordship.
Okay. Yes.
So, Your Lordship, SARFACI proceedings were initiated, and thereafter, in 2025, the bank instituted an FIR alleging forgery of the mortgage that the petitioner had given as security against the loan amount. And thereafter, Your Lordship, they have the petitioner has had to undergo arrest, and now he is on bail. However, Your Lordship, the FIR discloses nothing to satisfy the ingredients of the sections alleged to have been violated. Moreover, Your Lordship,
What are
since
the sections?
Your Lordship, section 318, which is cheating, section 336, which is forgery with intent to cheat, and section 340, which is using forged documents fraudulently as
It is
genuine.
akin to 420, 460 and 471 IPC.
Yes, Your Lordship. And Your Lordship, as is evident from a bare perusal of the facts, the dispute pertains to a civil nature.
So you mortgage your property
Yes, Your Lordship.
to obtain cash credit facility.
Yes, Your Lordship.
And it is found to be forged. The document.
Your Lordship, it is being alleged to be forged 10 years after the date when
the
it was.
FIR only it is allegation will come.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So then why do you say that there is no allegation in the FIR? There is nothing is there in the FIR.
Your Lordship, because there's only a.
Where is the FIR? Just take us to the
Your Lordship, it's annexure number 1, page 14 of the petition.
It speaks that you have availed loan, isn't it?
Yes, Your Lordship. It simply says in the second paragraph that the defaulter had forged the land documents.
Yes, and what more was required to be said?
Your Lordship, they do not mention when it was forged, what is the manner, what is the specific
But then
document.
it's a letter enclosed in duplicate. Where is that letter? And which letter? It refers to which letter?
Your Lordship, I believe it refers to the letter which with which the surfacey proceedings were initiated, which begins in Annexure 2. However, Your Lordship,
No, what
I'm not certain
basis?
about that.
No, what basis bank says that the document was forged?
Your
There
Lordship,
must be a basis, isn't it? The bank, when initially accepted it, they never doubted it,
Yes, sir.
isn't it? Now, subsequently, they have come up now saying the document is forged. It means the bank must have been informed by some authority or some experts that it's forged. So where is that? Is there? That is what probably this letter refers to, isn't it?
Your Lordship, this is the copy of FIR that we've received, and there was no such letter which was
Yes, madam. You can help us in
attached
this.
to it.
My lord. It appears, Lordship, that the petitioner had availed a loan, and it appears that the loan was misappropriated to another nature, Lordship, because the shop has been closed and the petitioner is in default now. So accordingly, the bank, it appears, has gone for acquiring the said property mortgage, but they found it to be forged documents. So hence they filed the FIR,
But then
Lordship.
how this forged document came to be found out? How they have found out that it's a forged document? Now that is
Lordship, they say letter enclosed and duplicate, but Annexure 2 is not the letter enclosed, Lordship. It is a separate one.
you have your instruction there.
I'll have my instructions, Lordship, and also the bank has been a party here.
Okay.
So I'll be
then
appearing for respond number 1 and 2, my lord.
Additionally, Your Lordship, the bank is proceeding under the Surfacey Act. In fact, it has taken physical possession. It has also listed the property
That
for
is
auction.
okay. That is so far as the recovery is concerned.
Yes, Your Lordship. However, if the document is forged, then how can the bank rely on it to proceed under the Surfacey Act to then sell the property?
That is a matter which should be taken up at the stage of consideration on merits. Okay, the prima facie you want to see why it is forged, and your the FIR seems to be not complete, which you have enclosed.
Yes, Your Lordship.
So first we'll have instruction and then we'll see.
Your Lordship, additionally, the petitioner is a government servant, so the pendency of these proceedings is hampering his standing. Your Lordship, I humbly pray for a stay in the interim.
My lord, we are objecting to that, Lordship.
This court is not inclined. This kind of allegations are very serious. This is a public money. So court is not inclined to give any interim order. You will issue notice. We will wait for instruction.
My lord.
Mr. Name, please.
A. Singh.
Yes, Lord Counsel, appearing for the petitioner. You are a local counsel. You are from here only.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Issue notice, returnable in 3 weeks. MS. Not PP. PS for respondent 1 and 2. The petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 3 within 2 days. List after 3 weeks.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Great.
Daily cost list, item number 1.
Please, Lordship.
Yes.
Please, Lordship. This for the respondent has filed their objection with regard to the delay, Lordship.
Which you get to?
Condonation of
Okay, this
delay
is condonation
application.
application. Okay.
Lordship, yes.
How many days condonation?
A delay of 84 days, Lordship.
For in
Preparing a
preparing
civil
what?
revision. Civil revision, Lordship. What had happened is that my defense evidence was closed, Lordship. Defense witnesses were closed.
In a suit.
In a suit, I filed an application to recall that was also dismissed, Lordship.
Okay, your defense witness was closed. You filed an application for recall. That was also dismissed.
It was
So against that you have prepared.
Lordship, yes.
Yes.
The point, Lordship, is that there's not been any sufficient explanation. We've made,
Let us see what is the explanation.
Lordship, at the outset, Mr. Khera is conducting this case. He wants to argue this.
You were there, why?
He insists
It's
on
only 84 days delay.
84 days. But, Lordship, there's not been sufficient explanation. They've made averments of financial constraint. There's no documents to satisfy that. No affidavit, no income certificate.
What is the ground taken in the intervention application?
Lordship, 3 reasons were there. One is, Lordship, some time taken to obtain the certified copies and all that.
3 reasons simultaneous or alternatively?
Lordship, running concurrently.
Okay.
One is because of the delay in obtaining the certified copies, some delay was there.
There are
Lordship.
how many days delay?
Lordship, with regard to the certified copies, there's delay of about 50 days. In
50 days.
In that,
So
Lordship.
there
because-
remains another 34 days then.
Yes, and some remaining delay was because of financial constraints and by the time of necessary process to
So that 50 days delay was because of the
Lordship is because 2 certified
copy branch.
not I don't
As per the
blame
FOIs.
anyone. It's our blame only. It's our some negligence on the part of
That
the
means that cannot be ground then. And
Lordship is.
As
The
per
fact is
that
that
is your negligence then.
Lordship is some delay was caused on part of the petitioner
You
also
see,
in
your
obtaining
defense
the
witness was closed.
Lordship is.
Your recalling application was rejected.
Lordship.
Thereafter also you commit delay. So is it not that something goes against you?
Lordship,
You
some
yourself you are not interested to pursue the matter.
Lordship, it is not a case where they are not interested. There has been some lapses, I fairly admit, on part of the petition plaintiff in the
International
trial
lapse
court.
will not go together, isn't it?
Lordship, yes. My humble prayer is that
Lordship, the dismissal of the said applications also because of non-appearance, and their application for the certified copies was after 48 days after the impugned order. Our only point is due diligence was never shown right from the outset.
what had essentially happened is that the
Anyway, condoning delay is a discretionary power, isn't it? We'll see it when Mr.
Lordship.
Khera will be available.
Lordship, he'll be next week, Lordship.
Okay, that is submitted by Mr. Kharkram. That this is in the order in the miss case. Okay?
Miss case 13, Lordship.
Yes, it's submitted that the that objection on behalf of the respondent has been filed. This matter. Stop. Despite for this is matter of 2 weeks for consideration of prayer of condemnation of delay. Stop.
Obliged.
Deeply obliged.
Item number
Let's wait for the parties. Mr. Francis.
My lord, 2, 3 and 4, my lord, these are all connected matters, my lord. I pray for some time, my lord, 2 weeks time to file our affidavit.
Objection.
No objection. The interim may continue.
Okay. On prayer made by Mr. Singham, learned assistant VP.
Yes, my lord.
Appealing for the state respondents for the 2 weeks time is granted for filing objection.
Interim. Interim may continue.
Okay, is there an interim?
Yes, sir.
Miss case in the same.
Miss case.
Okay, in the miss case, just say list along with the main case.
Yes.
Interim order passed already earlier to continue until further order.
Obliged.
Item number 5.
May it please your lordship, I'm for respondent 1 and 2. I'm praying for some more accommodation to file the counter affidavit. Lordship.
Yes. On prayer made.
Your Lordship, I'm for the petitioner.
Okay. Your name will be on this. It will be recorded already.
Yes.
Yes, that's also on prayer made. You are appealing for response number? Yes, madam.
1 and 2.
And Mr. Shankapta, you are appealing for?
My lord, state, my lord.
No, state is a party. No, Mr. Philemon Namgri is there. Represented by her. She is there for to state. This is special counsel, isn't it?
Yes, your lordship.
They will lead, my lord.
You are not there. See, special counsel is there.
Yes, my lord.
Yes. Who is 3? Who is response number 3?
Response number 3 is the
Who is Mr. MSS Langsti?
UGC, my lord. That is.
Anyone appeared on behalf of? Anyone is appearing for response number 3? No one is appearing. Anyway, on prayer made by MS, given name.
Bithaba. Bithaba.
Bithaba. You have to remind your name every time. This until see the court can
Yes, your lordship.
store it. Okay. On prayer made by Bithaba, Learned Council appearing for response number 1 and 2. Further, how much time?
2 weeks time, my
2
lordship.
weeks time is granted for filing affidavit in opposition in the matter. Please
That's
take
right,
out.
your lordship.
Yes.
Hearing item number 8.
Yes. What is this, Mr. Jha?
My lord, this is with regards to that ACP and MSCP.
Yes, madam, you ready?
Lordship,
Once we start hearing, then we will not adjourn.
Lordship, sir will be coming.
What is this, Mr. Jha?
My lord, this is just a brief facts stated with regards to the petitioner's claim, my lord.
And what is the order of the Supreme Court in the reverse side? No, that is not nothing. It's not related.
No one. Or that's
Oh, it was paper saving.
my lord. That was a wrong copy given.
But there is no problem in it. Then you should have cancelled it. Then just return it to him. You should cancel it. You see, there is no problem nowadays. Both side things printing is there. But then you should. Now you joined in 1987.
My lord. It is.
Now, as per MSCP, you must have 3 upgradation.
As per ACP, my lord, it was 2.
SCP is gone.
No, my
SCP is replaced by MSCP, isn't it?
My lord.
Now, SCP was there.
My lord.
It said 2.
12
After
years
12
and
years.
24 years, and thereafter it's 10, 20, and 30. My lord.
But then SCP came and said 3. 10, 20, and 30.
30.
Now, your first upgradation came in which year? You are. What is your claim here? Which upgradation? You have not received which upgradation?
Second upgradation, my lord. The pay scale which was issued to me, my lord, that was not the pay scale which is enshrined by the.
So it was not an upgraded pay scale. It was merely a reverse pay scale in terms of the CPC.
My lord, MSCP, my lord.
No, MSCP is upgradation. Yeah. You have to give us the pay scale and all, which you started and all. You have in your thing you have not stated so. That is more relevant consideration.
My lord,
For the purpose of determining that there is no reference of your pay scale in so far as in a subsequent concerned. You have to say at least you joined your pay scale was such and such day. It stood revised on such and such till these things. Then your upgradation was given. First upgradation given and you have been placed under such and such pay scale. And then in between, if you are given promotion, also you have to show those things. Now, these are there is no reflection of your pay scale and all here.
my lord, I will require some.
I do not know which way you will place a case.
My
but
lord,
then
definitely.
Probably that is the way you establish.
I will. That was the pay scale which is, and in the between, my lord, 10-10-97, where it says that rank and pay structure should be as per other CAPF. That I will brief, my lord.
See, rank at other CAPF means other CAPF all have their service rules, isn't it?
My lord, it's all come under the Ministry of Home Affairs.
That is okay.
My lord.
But then all they have their separate service rules, isn't it?
Service rule.
Guided by separate service rules. Isn't it? So when there are separate service rules, you cannot say that this one service rule will guide everything.
My lord, that's a notification issued by the Ministry of Home Affairs, my lord, which is
Applicable to all the organizations.
all the CPF.
So this is something besides not covered by the rule.
My lord.
If you just give us the details when you were given fast upgradation and all. This is nothing. It is not fast SCP in the pay scale of so and so. With effect from. It is 2006. Your fast.
2006.
Your fast upgradation in which year?
2006, Lordship. In 2006, Lordship, he was granted.
31st December 2006.
Lordship.
Now that is what he says. Now his upgradation was from. No, he says that he should have got it in 1999.
99.
The time when you joined, there was no scheme in operation. Which year SCP came?
1999, my lord.
1999 SCP came. And it says after 12 years.
My lord.
So, in terms of SCP, you should have given fast upgradation in 1999. That was not given to you.
No, my lord.
Okay. Then which year, when came MSCP?
MSCP came, my lord, in
2008.
Okay, 2009.
9.
That means by the time you are due for second under SCP, MSCP came.
My lord.
Anyway,
I will brief, my
no,
lord.
that is okay. Then what happened? Then when your second upgradation was given,
My lord. The second upgradation, my lord.
should have been in December 2009.
My lord.
See, after MSCP came,
My lord.
it replaced SCP, isn't it?
My lord.
So it means your every upgradation has to be given after your upgradation has to be given after every 10 years, 3 upgradation, isn't it?
My lord.
Now, if you joined in 87,
My lord.
let us go by thing 87.
My lord.
Your first upgradation is due on 97.
My lord.
Your second upgradation will be due in 2007,
7, my lord.
and third will be in 2017. Correct?
My lord.
Now, what is your case here?
My lord, my
Is
case.
that the position? Is there anything wrong with this? That computation that he is due for first upgradation in 1997, second in 2007, and third in 2007.
They say that one.
Lordship, our contention is that he was not. He did not fulfill the promotional norms, Lordship. That's why.
Promotion is a different thing. MSCP is something, isn't it? Now, in MSCP, whether the performance of the official has to be assessed. Is there any need to do that?
Under the
Say for promotion, you have to assess the performance of a person, isn't it? The merit comes into play, seniority comes into play. But then, what about MSCP?
No, my lord.
There may be some consideration, we do not know, there may be some consideration, but then that has to be provided. What is the scheme of MSCP?
My lord, it is on page.
What is the scheme?
My lord, that is it.
It seems you are not prepared, Mr. Raja. This is the main thing of your case.
My lord, at Annexure 8, page 94.
This court has very less patience. Page 94.
My lord.
Page 94 of your writ petition. There is no page 94 in your writ petition. It ends at page 60. It appears that learned counsel for the petitioner is not prepared. List after 2 weeks. You are expected to. This is your case. The main basis of your case is MSCP. You do not know what is there in MSCP.
Ten. Sorry, 9. 8, 9,
After 2 weeks, you come up prepared.
11.
10 or 11?
My lord, this matter, before my friend begins, my lord, this is under 304A. They have come on the ground of compromise, my lord. Rash and negligent driver, resulting into that, my lord. My lord, before my friend begins, my lord, I respectfully say, my lord, that 304A, my lord, it is not strictly private in nature, my lord. It is
Mr. Gurung,
public.
before you say that, probably this court has passed order on 304A.
My lord, there are 3 judgments of this High Court, my lord.
Yes, but then this is also on the basis of the judges passed by a coordinated bench.
Exactly, my lord.
Initially, what you say, this court was also not inclined, and there are some decision by other High Court, where other High Court
Supreme
has
Court also.
declined. That the problem is that the order passed by this court are not taken any further by your state, and the
Exactly.
position of law remains same. And
Exactly.
so long it remains same, that will be binding on us. So we can understand your anxiety and rather what you feel, but then we cannot go beyond what is there.
Absolutely.
That is what problem is. So before you make objection, this court is making clear.
Exactly.
You should not just raise it just for satisfying your.
I've gone through
conscience.
three of the judgments passed by the coordinated bench. And all.
You get this order passed by these courts interfered with and then come up. with
Lordship
the
is absolutely correct. So far, that is not challenged, my lord. It remains, my lord.
There are probably many matters we pass some order or say like, and it remains. If you have any other different view, then you should take it up and get it modified. That is, yes, Mr.
Yes, my lord, this case is for causing of the criminal proceeding arising out of a motor vehicle accident. My lord, this petitioner and respondent number 3, 4 and 5, my lord, they are the family members. On 28 January 2023, while they were proceeding from children.
This is a fatal accident.
Yes, my lord.
Yes. And
So,
then
yes,
who died?
The husband of the respondent number 3 and wife of respondent number 5. They are all the family members. The child of this respondent number 3 was suffering from some disease and they came here for treatment, and while proceeding from hospital they met with an accident at Puryang. A petitioner was driving the vehicle. He is also from the family members, and they did not lodge the FIR because they were aware that this was not intentional, it was accident. But the police registered the FIR because there was this death was there. So my lord, finally when the FIR was filed, after investigation charge sheet has been filed, and when the petitioner received the summon, my lord, he appeared also, and the matter is at the stage of evidence. My lord, in the meantime, these family members, they settled the matter and has executed a settlement deed, which I have enclosed, my lord, as Annexure 3, page number 23. So, my lord, to maintain the family relation and peaceful atmosphere, my lord, there is no grievance against the petitioner by the other family members. They have executed this settlement deed, man. Page number 23. Start from page number 23 till 25.
What are the decision passed by this court?
My lord, this
Which should be relevant?
Yes, my lord.
Probably in the exact facts and situation.
Yes. I will just
place it.
My lord, criminal.
See, normally for this court,
yes, my lord,
you say like court has a reservation whether any other person has a right to compromise on behalf of that person.
That person has already died, so my lord, there is.
Yes, this is Mr. Pasa's court, Pasa's matter. I remember.
Yes, my lord.
And then when the court had reservation, he literally snatched this order, even despite the fact that court was not inclined to pass.
Yes, my lord. There was objection also from the side of the prosecution, my lord. But my lord has, in page number, this 63, my lord.
Yes.
The criminal petition number 63 of 24. My lord, there was similar objection was made, but my lord, relying on the judgment passed by the coordinated bench,
yes,
this honorable court was pleased to set aside that proceeding also.
Yes, Mr. Gurung, what will say? See, earlier, this case also the objection was taken by the state.
My lord.
But then without challenging the order, which was.
Exactly.
So this is the judgment, my lord, and then there are other judgment also. I have given, my lord, criminal petition number 9, and there are other also, my lord. On this judgment are, my lord, I think my lord has clearly held and has quashed the proceeding on similar circumstances. Also, I am situated here also, my lord. So I pray that, my lord, this petition, this criminal proceeding may also be quashed.
Use a private respondent is there. Yes. Why you are hiding? No? If you say no, then we will reject this case. Yes. What is your submission? You are objecting, not objecting to the prayer. Why?
Because we have no grievance, we are in a good relationship, and we already settled the matter outside Yana, and we already have a deed of settlement.
Mr. Gurung has not got any support from you. Probably he was expecting support from you. Anyway, then
We are bound by it.
this court has no other option.
My lord.
Anyway, Hart, we'll just pass word. Learning Council. Hart, Mr. Pandit, Learning Council appearing with the petitioner. Mr. Gurung Learned G appearing for the state respondent number
1 and 2.
1 and 2, and MS. You'll appear for all the respondents 3, 4, 5. Learning Council appearing for the respondents.
5 also?
3, 4, and 5. 3, 4.
This is an application. Second. Washing of the proceeding of GR case number 107 within bracket capital A of 2023 under section
279, 337,
279, 337,
338,
338, 427,
304A.
304 capital A IPC pending in the court of the. You can sit down, Mr. Pandit.
Yes.
The court of the judicial magistrate, first class at Shillong, on the basis of a compromise stroke settlement deed dated 30th July 2025. Is that not 30th, 3rd July 2025. Between the petitioner and the private respondent number 3, 4, and 5, isn't it? All of them are signatory.
Yes.
Paragraph. The brief fact of the case is that what's the FIR, Mr. Pandit?
FIR is on page number, my lord, 11. Annexure 1.
Which means is that on 29/1/2023, an FIR was lodged. Before the officer in charge, Mairankinang police station, by SI, Sub Inspector SI
Yes.
Samuel Linthong. You'll get the name at page 11 at the bottom, FIR, bottom of this. SI Samuel Linthong. Submission to the effect that on 28/1/2023 at about what is the timing? 40A is what? Actually, I do not just on 28/1/2023 an accident took place at Puriang where one vehicle bearing registration number ML05X 4880. What is this Magnite? It's a variety of the car.
Yes, it is a
What type of vehicle is this? Magnite?
Magnite is
It's an SUV.
yes,
It is SUV.
mini SUV.
Okay, within bracket Magnite. Huh? So and so. Then accident took place in so and so, where when the vehicle so and so, driven by Sri. Is the petitioner?
Yes, my lord.
Yes, driven by the petitioner. Coming from Shillong towards Jointa Hills. You have to modify this line. Just you have to write it like this, to the effect that on 28th January 2021, one vehicle number so and so, driven by the petitioner, coming from Shillong, proceeding towards Jointa Hills, at just can you just read it on such and such day? Now you'll just rewrite the line. Oh. Yes. Okay. While proceeding towards joint okay. Okay, coming from Shillong, not coming from Shillong, driven by so and so, while proceeding towards Jointa Hills from Shillong, on reaching near the petrol pump at Puriang, met with an accident with a truck bearing registration number ML10C8097, driven by his respondent number.
Oh, he is not the party. He's not the respondent.
Driven by
Met with an accident, such and such vehicle.
it's all right. Okay, just give a full stop. As a result, comma, two persons killed. How many occupants killed?
Here, 5, my lord.
5
Along with-
persons killed.
Along with the petitioner, 5. Altogether, capacity is 5 only.
All persons killed.
No, only 2 out of them. 2 only died.
Only 2.
Yes.
As a result of the accident, 2 occupants of the Magnite vehicle were killed in the spot. Oh, 2 vehicles so and so do not say were killed. 2 vehicles of the vehicle died. Should not be proper to say killed. Mr. Pandit will have a guilty conscience if we say that.
Yes.
And another 4 persons were injured,
Including the petitioner.
including the petitioner. So and so died, another 2 persons died, so and so died, and 4 persons injured, including the petitioner, who were shifted to, who were initially shifted to Marankanang CHC and subsequently to Supercare Hospital, Supercare and Nigrim hospitals. Stop. Paragraph. Next paragraph. On the basis of the FIR, Marankanang PS case number 02 within bracket 01 2023 under section 279 stroke 337 stroke 338 stroke 427 stroke 304 IPC was registered and an investigation was launched in the matter. Stop. Upon completion of the investigation, a charge sheet bearing number 14/2023 dated 31/10/2023 was forwarded to the court and and the petitioner was made to face trial. Was forwarded to court, making the petitioner to face the trial in GR case number 107 of 2023 pending before the Court of the Judicial Magistrate, First Class at Shillong. Give a paragraph. Oh, acha. Don't say. During the pendency. Stop. During the pendency of the trial. The petitioner and the respondent number 3, 4, and 5, who happens to be the wife.
Yes, wife and husband. Wife and husband of the deceased. One is wife and one is husband. There are two deceased, so one is husband and one is.
Okay. And who are the third person? Number 5 is?
She is injured. He is injured person who was occupant also in that vehicle.
So there are only 3 agreed persons. There are no other. Nobody else.
3 of the occupants, my lord.
They are the agreed person only.
Yes,
there are
yes,
no
yes.
other persons.
No.
Okay. Okay. Just say what is it during the pendency of the. Happens to be the
Husband and wife of respondent number 3 and 4.
During the pendency also, the petitioner also has entered into. Just please again tell me. The petitioner and the respondent number 3. This one number 3. That is this one number 3. Simati.
Yes, madam. Balarisha
Dhar. Wife of late so and so. Wife of late. You will get it in the name of the
cost title.
Cost title. Okay. Rest one number 3, 4, and 5. Comma. Rest one number 4. Sri Annual Sirti. He is the husband of?
He's the husband of?
Deceased? What is the name?
Mamti Dhar.
Where do we get the name?
From the FIR, my lord.
Page 11, number 2.
Mamti Dhar. From the FIR. Mamti Dhar, she is died.
Okay. Husband of Sri E.
Sirti.
Okay. It is Annual Sirti. This is one number 4. Okay. And he is husband of late Momti Dhar. Momti Dhr. And Sri Lumlang Dhar. So you see, 2 persons died and 4 persons were injured. That
This is baby, my lord. 4 months baby. That is that 3 number. That 4 injured means including that baby 4 months.
And see, so and so, and Sri Lumlang Dhar, comma, an injured victim of the aforesaid accident. Entered into Have you said already enter into settlement date? Have you started the sentence like this? What we said? During the pendency of the so-and-so? Okay, just, it's all right. Just say come, have entered into. Compromise. By. You enter into compromise. And settle the matter amicably by a deed of compromise dated
Settlement deed dated 3rd July 2025.
Page 23.
Third July 2025. Stop. Since which are the sections which are non-compoundable, Mr.
279 and 304A, my lord. 279.
Since section 279 and 304 within bracket capital A IPC are non-compoundable section, comma, the petitioner has approached this court is seeking quashing of the GR case number, what is that, 107A of 2023 on the basis of the aforesaid compromise. Stop. The rest of the things we can see, like these are more or less, your submissions are also more or less same.
Yes.
See from there instead of wasting time. Now where these cases are coming up, no, this is something, see 2 persons died.
My lord.
That is why.
And we are leaving some person on the basis of compromise. This is something I do not know which way. This is for you to think about these things.
Exactly, my lord.
Then you record these things more or less from here. Just take the name of the counsels there and record her name. You have no objection. We will record it. Okay. And she acknowledges that these things. You are appearing for all the 3 persons. Okay. Okay. Then we'll allow it.
Repeal.
Think over, Mr. Gurung. This court basically understands it is in, to some extent, it is in agreement with him. But then the hand of the court is also tight. I've kept this order inside. From here, you will just see. We'll start from here. Okay. Till this much we have written probably. Just compare it, and then if there is any grammatical thing and I repeat sometimes, cancel it.